Hello and welcome to another how-to video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use a Nescafe Dolce Gusto Genio S Touch. Now the first thing you'll need to do is to fill up the water reservoir behind. This is easy to do, and you'll just need to take off the top, and the reservoir simply lifts out like so, and you fill it up and then replace it like so. And then obviously the next step, once you fill the reservoir, is to get a capsule for your drink. I store mine in a handy kitchen cupboard here. I'm going to use an Americano for this particular video. So today I'm going to make an Americano Intenso coffee, and let me show you how to do that with this machine. So basically you need to open it like this, and as you can see the display lights up. Then you pull out the drawer, get rid of any old ones, and then put the new one in. Make sure it's slotted in nicely. Sometimes these ones they don't fully go in and then it causes a problem, so make sure it slots in properly. And then close the lid like that. Now you can see this red thermometer symbol is flashing. That means it's heating up. It's now come through and it's heated up to the temperature we need. Now you can also select different temperatures by pressing it. So that will be a cold drink. That would be lukewarm, I would say. That would be the next one up, and that would be hot. So I always have it at the hot setting for hot drinks. And this part here, you can set how much liquid you want the machine to produce. So it's touch screen, so the most is XL. Then you have different settings. So that one is 7 bars. I normally have 5 bars set. So then you place your cup underneath, and all you then do is you tap the cup symbol, and that will start, and you don't need to manually stop it. It will then automatically stop when it's dispensed however much liquid you've set. So you may need to test this out with the mugs you've got to make sure you get the right level. And if you do need to stop it, and if you selected a level that's too much for the cup or the mug, you just press the cup again and it will stop. But there we go. It's reached. It's released five bars worth of liquid, and there we have my coffee. You don't need to turn off the machine; it will automatically turn off. So don't worry about turning off. But I hope you've liked this video. I hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. If you have, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.